your heart and made you write that song. Every time you sing I want to cry along. Everything was right until your love went wrong. Who made you write that song? I remember the happy things in the songs that you used to sing. Sunny blue skies and wedding rings, but this morning they're gone. Cloudy skies have begun to pour. There's a wind in your pure war, and you're really alone once more. I can tell by your song. Who broke your heart and made you write that song? Every time you sing I want to cry along. Everything was right until your love went on. Who made you write that song? When you ask me if I can see that the songs only make believe, if you think that you're fooling me, let me tell you you're wrong. Anyone who has loved will know, after hearing a verse or so, you can smile but your tears still show in the words to your song. Who broke your heart and made you write that song? Every time you sing I want to cry along. Everything was right